This is the 3-minute breathing space from the Hearing Coach, a great first aid mindfulness practice for challenging times with tinnitus or whenever any unpleasant or distressing event happens. For the first minute, we focus on awareness. Ask yourself, how am I doing right now? Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations. And try and put these experiences into words. For example, my shoulders are tense, or I'm feeling irritated. In the second minute, we breathe. Just notice how your body, your chest, your belly expands with the in-breath and then relaxes with the out-breath. Just follow your breath. And in the final minute, we expand our attention. We feel our breath move not just in our chest and our belly, but throughout our entire body. With every inhalation, imagine your body expands a little, and with each exhalation, it subsides a little. And now gently and compassionately continue with your day.